Hey guys. Yeah, what's up? I got a car. Bruh, you did not get a car. Bet you. How much? What's your price? Nothing. It's bad. Okay. Look at that. Look at that. We even got the gold plate on it. See? Cause I'm famous. Yeah, that's a toy car. Yeah, but I got my own car. You guys don't. We'll get one when we're famous. True. So yeah, anyways. So about your car. Let's go into the lava. No, my car! I need to jump in! What? Yeah, he's gonna die in lava pit. I told you it was a pool the first time. Yeah, but he's gonna drown. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. No, my car sunk. Sunk because you were bunk and because you think it's little junk. I think you just got burned. Throw him to the lava pit. No!